Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We're going to talk about colors this week, and so Miss Hendry wants to go over the color red today. All right, let's look at this. R-E-D, red. This rose is red. The color red is beautiful. Let's look over here. Here are some things that are red. Can you think of some things that are red around you? So we're going to look at some things that we know that are common that are red. And then I want you to think about things around your house or your room that are red and show that to your mom or dad. All right. Apples are red. Crabs are red. Fire trucks are red. Ladybugs are red. Stop signs are red. And yummy, yummy strawberries are red. Let's look at this. And I'm actually going to send this to you guys after we learn all of our colors, and I'm going to let you do this activity, okay? But for now, Miss Hendry is going to show you how to do it, all right? It says drag the X on the objects that are not red. So let's look at all of the pictures, okay? Here's an apple. Is an apple red? Yep. Is a fire truck red? Is a ladybug red? Yes. What about a sun? Nope, not red. A sun is yellow. What about a stop sign? Is that red? What about a caterpillar? Right, a caterpillar is not red. A caterpillar is green. All right, great job, guys. So we're going to review the color red. This is all the color red: the stop sign, the fire truck, the ladybug, and the apple. These are things that are red. I hope you had fun. And again, like Miss Hendry said, in a couple of days, I'm going to send you this activity to do all by yourself. All right. Love you guys. Bye.